limit extends to a, limit extends to a sin x by sin a whole power 1 by x minus a. This is a 1 power infinitive form. 1 power infinitive form. So apply g of x into f of x minus 1 e power limit extends to a g of x into f of x minus 1 f of x minus 1 g of x into f of x minus 1 e power limit extends to a 1 by x minus a. Take LCM, sin a LCM, sin x minus sin a. Put x value a, sin a minus sin a, 0. A minus a, 0. 0 by 0 form. So apply L'Hopital's rule. L'Hopital's rule means take derivatives e power limit extends to a, derivative of sin x cos x, derivative of constant 0. Next, by sin a into x derivative 1, derivative of any constant equal 0, derivative of sin x cos x, derivative of any constant 0, derivative of x value 1, derivative of constant 0. Put x value a, e power cos a by sin a, e power cos a by sin a equal to cot a, e power cot a. Next, another bit. Limit extends to 0. Limit extends to 0. X sin x whole power cos x by x cosecant x minus 1. This is also in the form of a 1 power infinitive. Apply e power g of x into f of x minus 1. So e power limit extends to 0 cos x by x cosecant x minus 1. This is g of x into f of x minus 1. So e power limit extends to 0 cos x by x into cosecant x minus 1. See x 1 by sin x. 1 by sin x equal to cosecant x 1 by sin x equal cosecant x minus 1. This one cancel. So put x value 0. E power cos 0. So e power 1. E power 1 that equal to e. This is a 1 power infinitive. So g of x into f of x minus 1. Take LCM or x 1 by sin x equal to cosecant x. X cosecant x minus 1 minus 1. Same terms. So they are cancelled. Cos 0. Cos 0 value 1. E power 1 equal to e. E power 1 equal to e. Next, limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0. Tan x plus pi by 4 whole power 1 by x. This is also 0 1 power infinitive form. 1 power infinitive. So apply same formula. Limit x tends to 0. G of x into f of x minus 1. This is g of x. F of x minus 1. Put x value 0. Tan 45 value 1. 1 minus 1 0 by 0. So take derivative formulas. E power limit x tends to 0. Derivative of tan x secant square x. Derivative of tan x secant square x minus derivative of constant 0. Derivative of x value 1. Derivative of tan x secant square x. Derivative of constant. Derivative of x. Put x value 0. Put x value 0. E power secant square 0 plus pi by 4. Secant 45. Secant 45 value root 2. This square is this one. Secant 45 root 2 whole square. Root 2 square cancel. So answer is e square. Answer is e square. 1 power infinitive. E power limit x tends to 0. G of x into f of x minus 1. Put x value 0. We get 0 by 0 form. So take derivatives. Derivative of tan secant square. Derivative of 1 value 0. Derivative of x value 1. Put x value 0. Secant 45. Secant 45 value root 2. Root 2 square cancel. So answer is e square. Answer is e square. Next, limit x tends to